Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi here. We're looking at question number 4. A young hedgehog that weighed 3/4 of a pound in the spring weighs 1 1/8 pounds at the start of winter. How many times greater is the hedgehog's winter weight than its spring weight? So in other words, if we know the spring weight and we multiply it by some number, that would give us the winter weight. Let's substitute in the values that we know into what I have written here. So the 3/4 of a pound, it says a young hedgehog that weighed 3/4 of a pound in the spring. So let's put that underneath S for spring. And then we want to know how many pounds heavier, how many times greater. So we'll just put a variable like N. And its winter weight was 1 1/8 pounds at the start of winter. Let's write that as an improper fraction. That would be equal to something eighths. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 1 would be 9. So that's equal to 9/8. All right. A little while ago, we learned that when you're trying to solve equation where you're dealing with fractions and it's 3/4 times some number, the opposite of multiplying a variable by 3/4 would be to divide it by 3/4. And the best way to show that is to just simply multiply by the reciprocal of the coefficient, which is the reciprocal of the number being multiplied with the variable. So that's going to be 4/3. Put it over here, and we'll also put it over here. All right, so all of this cancels out. You're supposed to just know that anytime you multiply something by its reciprocal, it always equals 1, and 1 times n would be n. So the only thing left we have to do is simplify this and figure out which answer matches it. So how about we take advantage of the fact that 3 goes into this once, 3 goes into that 3 times. Over here, 4 is a factor of this numerator and this denominator. Divide by 4, get 1. Divide by 4 and get 2. So just finish up. And it will be an improper fraction. You may need to rename it as a mixed number. All right, good luck.